Spring has officially sprung and I am full of gratitude. When spring comes around, it's just a moment where I just get filled with so much joy. Seeing the leaves come back onto the trees, I'm starting to see little honeybees come out, which is always very exciting. And I thought it was a perfect time for me to plant my first seeds for summertime because I got a mix of zinnias and I believe it was like a summer mix. So I planted those this morning and that was a lot of fun just to like feel the soil between my fingers and feel the sunshine and the blue skies. I am so excited because it is the first week here in Provence where we have blue skies throughout the whole week and the weather is getting warmer. So that means things to look forward to, like going to the Clonks and just exploring more. And yeah, when I was planting my seeds, I was like talking to them, putting my intention, and hopefully they'll grow into big, beautiful, bright colored flowers to bring me a lot of joy during the summertime. Not only do I like talk to the seeds, I talk to my plants all the time, not just my plants. I talk to the plants outside, I talk to the birds all the time, and Paul always just laughs at me. But yeah, I just feel like it's important to talk to living creatures and beings and tell them how much they're appreciated. And this hat Paul just purchased for me, which is so fitting. It is a baseball cap with the letter F, and that is my last name, so Fournier, and little bees. I really love bees. And in the back it says bees and things and flowers. I was like, this hat is made for me. So we are going to head out to the center. I'm going to meet Paul for a little coffee date. I'm going to spritz on my spring perfume, which is Rose de Mai, which is from Fragonard, which is one of my favorite little shops here in Aix. And these perfumes come from a region in France called Grasse, which hopefully we'll get to visit Grasse since the weather is getting nicer, and that is like where a lot of perfumes are actually made. But enough of me chit-chatting. Let's go outdoors, enjoy the blue skies, the sunshine, and a nice coffee.
So you live in the dream. You should see it through someone else's side. Another cipher to break, while the grass grows underneath my feet. Been running out of time for so long. Hello. to tell you. Hello, 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 yeah. Hello, yeah. No wonder you got a pure heart, kind of honesty that will always stay. Don't ever let him bring you down. What a terrible thing to say. Trembling across my fingers out of sight. Hello, 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 Leah. I was lost inside a maze of night. Hello, 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 Leah. I stayed up and watched you till daylight. Hello, 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 Leah. Hello, 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 Leah. Hello, 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 Leah. Hello, 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 Leah.
Today we are visiting a little French village called Eygalieres, and our first stop was this beautiful church that was built in the 12th century. And today we're visiting this French village because they have a brocante once a month. So it will be my first time visiting here, so I thought we would go explore together. And it is just so beautiful. This field in front of the church has all of these beautiful yellow dandelions, and it is quite windy today. We get these really strong gusts of wind, so I'm hoping I'll still be able to vlog throughout the rest of this video. We shall see. Maybe in the village the wind will be blocked more, but yeah, it's such a gorgeous day today.
All the things I left behind save this little place in my mind. I don't wanna lose you. It's too soon. I don't wanna lose you. It's too soon.
We just entered the village and I am already taken back. There's live music playing. This is the hugest brocante I think I've seen, and usually the one I know about is in Ile-sur-la-Sorgue, but I already walking in feel like this is even better. And everyone's already on the terraces with their dogs. So many cute dogs. I've already said hi to them, and it's just such a gorgeous day, so I'm excited. You need to come here if you're visiting Provence.
Childhood dreams. You're as delicate as a leaf. You don't know what you mean to me. I don't wanna lose you. It's too soon.
No, you've always wanted that.
It does feel weird. Can't play golf with it.
Not much writing love songs. Hell, I never even tried. With 1,000 things gone wrong, here's one thing that is right. I run back to you, and you come back to me again. Wildfires burning, and they're packing up for war. Seems like nobody's learning from the ones who came before. But I run back to you, and you come back to me again. Up before the sunrise on another working day, trying hard to hold tight.
This is it. This is where we're having a picnic. There's shade, there's a view, and there's a bench.
Back to you, and you come back to me again. I would lay my head down.
And these are a few of my favorite things. My husband. Provence in springtime. The butterflies are out. Packing a little lunch and then just always having such peaceful place to have our picnic. And the perfect setting. Double stuffed Oreos, which is like the best. But we're gonna hike up to the church, which is at the top of the village, and then head back down for a little terrace treat for ourselves.
Back to me again. My head above the water. Finally, I can breathe again. Lost in the waves, I wander. But in your eyes, I see no pain. You're a holiday, a break from the rain. Sipping your sunshine, come take me away. In the water. Finally, I can breathe again. You're a dream, 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 dream. Standing in your presence, carry me away, honey. A dream, 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 dream. Make me lose my senses, carry me away, away. A dream, dream, dream. Come take me away. I see a new horizon. My 2 feet steady on the ground. With you, I found my reason. Yeah, to keep chasing what we found. You're a holiday, a break from the rain. Sipping your sunshine, come take me away. New horizon. Finally, I can see again. You're a dream, 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 dream. Standing in your presence, carry me away, honey. A dream, 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 dream. My head can breathe again.